In this video, I am going to put forward some premises and we are together going to analyze these premises. The first premise is that we live in a ever more interconnected world, meaning the actions of few individuals and groups are going to affect the entire globe, some to a relatively smaller extent, some to a relatively larger extent. However, they are going to affect the world. So this interconnectedness premise is something that we need to inculcate in our collective human psyche. Korea causes lot of anti-humanitarian mess, and that is a problem for us. We understand this. Just let us try to embark upon a thought experiment and think what would it take for us as the global human population to solve the problem of North Korea. To illustrate that all the problems that occur in the human civilization are interconnected. Let us understand this aspect. It is very, very important to understand that one problem is not apart from some other problem. Everything is interconnected, and to solve all the problems requires a revolution in a few aspects of human life. One of the aspects of human life that requires revolution is individual personal psychology. Now, let us embark upon the thought experiment and think that all nation states have dissolved. And once all the nation states have dissolved, now there is a very good chance of coordination and communication between all the human beings of Earth. We have this technology, the internet, because of which any human being can essentially coordinate and communicate with any other human being today on planet Earth. So discussion groups can get formulated. Some beliefs can be examined. If they are not appropriate beliefs, then they can be rectified. If they seem to be appropriate beliefs, then they can be promoted. Now, if let's say I, Zenith, personally have reached a certain conclusion, and if I try to communicate this conclusion with someone else or a group of people, if they have not gone through the thought process that I have gone through in order to reach this conclusion, then they will likely agree or not agree with this particular conclusion. And we do not want them to agree because of any authority related reasons. So not because Zenith says so, or the president of United Nations says so, or the people who have higher status, so as to say, in the human society say so. We want the people of this world to understand the issues and then make a decision on their own.